Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing essentials. Create a Voiceflow project and pick voice or chat so the canvas matches interaction type. Once done, define core intents and examples, and add 5 to 8 slot variables to capture user data. Then link an API key or set a mock endpoint so you can call external logic. This avoids dead integrations later. Make sure to name flows clearly, because organized flows let you build faster and debug more easily. Now build the conversation. Place capture blocks to collect slots, then add speak blocks to return responses. Short prompts first, then richer content. Use condition blocks to route based on slot values or API responses. This is where branching logic lives. Insert API blocks to fetch dynamic data and chain responses with delays for natural pacing. Make sure to add explicit confirmations and a fallback path so the system recovers great. Finish by testing thoroughly. Run through happy paths and edge cases in the Voiceflow simulator and on device if possible. Once confident, deploy to your chosen channel and watch logs and metrics to spot drop-offs. If something breaks, check intent misfires, timeout thresholds, and API error handling first. Fix those and retest the exact failing steps. One troubleshooting tip. Reproduce the user input exactly in the simulator to see which block misfired and correct conditions or slot parsing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.